please to the Vice Prime Ministers.
Loron dia, bamalu karena sirna beoras na sistela programa TATOLI ATUÁL ba edição rohinian. Maluk sira dadau na ami hudi laran baru pita dili hodi aktualiza baita bot sira kata kohin Governu hal lançamento ba konstrusaun projetu biblioteka nasional nebe hari iha area hudi laran dili ho andar tolu nebe hetan apoio husi companhia ini no coordenação ho autoridade nacional petróleo no mos secretário de estado arte no cultura malusira objetivo husi konstrusaun biblioteka nasional ne maka tu sai hanesan centro nacional ba livro arquivo no patrimônio documental iha Timor-Leste. O objetivo de construção é maka tu saímos fatem preserva livro documental, documento histórico no arquivo nacional, promove cultura lei no hakerek iha Timor-Leste, facilita estudante, professor, pesquisador no público para informação no material educativo, raburas pesquisa, educação no desenvolvimento de recursos humanos, protege patrimônio cultural no bibliográfico para geração agora no futuro. O projeto implementa a companhia chinesa Honaran COC a sugzeve husina maka kar obra ne malusira também horas ne dadang marca uma presença husi governo li husi vice-primeiro-ministro Francisco Calvadilai nebe acompanha o membro governo sira inclui parlamento nacional e hane amimos nota kata que na embaixador China ba Timor-Leste mos marca presença e a cerimônia lançamento construção projeto biblioteka nasional e a Timor-Leste nebe hari e a area hudi laran dele. Maluksira mi hakara ke relata baita buat sira kata ke toras ne Timor-Leste sidau iha biblioteka nasional no hensai momentum histórico ida ba Timor-Leste tamba governo halo lançamento ba konstrusaun edifício andar tolu ba biblioteka nasional. Antes ne mas que será que a Biblioteca Nacional mais be iha ona sanana Gusmau Reading Room iha area lesidera dele iha coleção livro ho material de rihunhat nebe loke ba público ori acesso Biblioteca Sira e Universidade nessa Universidade Nacional Timor-Leste Biblioteca Escola Sira no Biblioteca Comunidade Municipal e inclui Biblioteca Comunidade Covalima. Vice-primeiro-ministro também maluksira e ao mesmo tempo mas distintos convidados recebem. Tu irmã ita assiste cerimônia lançamento construção projeto Biblioteca Nacional nebe dadau ne localiza iha que das ministério MPA ne koto Bedaran ita aminota hene kata ke marca presença husi membro governo lobo kita hanesan ministro MPA, ministro MZDAC, ministro petróleo no recurso mineral e hamos vice-ministro administração estatal participamos husi secretário de estado de comunicação social embaixador China ba Timor-Leste, nomos corpo diplomático Sira, incluímos membro do Parlamento Nacional Sira, mas sola parte e a cerimônia
Ceremony of the National Library Project of Timor-Leste.
Ligatão, bom dia para distintos convidados, senhores e senhoras Cira, corpos ministros Ciras, membros do Governo Cira. Seja bem-vindo à cerimônia lançamento construção projeto da Biblioteca Nacional Timor-Leste.
My name is Lucia Pinto, and I'm here with my colleague Jessie Gagu. On behalf of the organizer, it is our great honor to welcome you all to this historical occasion.
Ligatão, obrigada no anesang on behalf of the Committee of Organization, amila haluha to aminya obrigada ba itabot sirinya tempo na bema fona to bele acompanha itanya lançamento construção idune.
To begin the official program, may I respectfully invite Reverend Father Governu to lead us in the opening prayer according to the Catholic faith.
Senhora São, o respeito a mi convida Reverendo Padre Governu, amo par como tael a to bele dirige oração to irfiar serani católica niya.
E a comissão ita temporeza nela na rua e daí depois recebeu uma benzetani kotuk amare au convidei ta hotoreza tu hau ita na cerimônia daí tu irema fierline de Padre Filho Espírito Santo siranaran maroma kamalaran dia kami agradece ba ita vot ba graça tomak na ba ita vot harai mai ami deidak ilio ba amin yarai Governu Timor-Leste, e a momento idane tabot halibur otu membro governo no hematomak nebe akarak posir ne contribuição para desenvolvimento rai idane ele o desenvolvimento capacidade intelectual nian e este programa hari uma biblioteka ya fating idane usi tabot amutu kana fatin hoami oben sabami atu buat tutu nebe ami halo ba sociedade Timor hanesana saunya diak ita buat bela fobensa no acompanha na fatin ami e momento dene ami at halo ami na cerimônia dene amuto ko ami atu buat hotu bela la tu ita buat na karak ami aroh ne remina in Jesus Cristo nyenaran amuto ko Espírito Santo amen o de Padre Filho Espírito Santo amen.
Thank you, Reverend Father. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly invite everyone to keep standing for the national anthem will be performed by the State Choir.
Por respeito, convido ba distintos convidados participantes no membros do Governo Cirato na Fatin Hamri, por Itaú e Tenha Hanano ba Hino Nacional, se dirige o grupo coro Secretário de Estado Arte e Cultura.
Yaze
silence in honor of our national heroes and martyr, and will be guided by His Excellency Vice Prime Minister of Timor-Leste, Senhor Francisco Calbuadilay.
Minuto de silêncio riano em fila fali itenye heróis da mártires ba nação idane, nebe magfila hikas ona, nossa lidera, Husi, Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, Sua Excelência Francisco Calbuadilay.
Maluk sirahoto, mai tototo hakru, foi um minuto de silêncio. Hoje tem homenagem a heróis sira, o matabian sira toto, nebe ma fote a sina vida, e sim o rang o rui. Nebe o in lorong itabele goza de minha independência. O hin ito total libre malu ia fating dane. Nebe o suba nai maroma, fo fating nebe basiri dida descanso ho dia. Ita mosuso basira na fating fo tolong ba ita nune ita bele ia compromisso ida nebe o continuo sirne mihi atu serviva povo o reine ho dia. Minuto de silêncio, hahu. Minuto de silêncio, Otona. Obrigado.
Memoria
We now proceed to the welcoming remarks. It is my honor to invite the President of the National Authority for Mr. Baldino Ducarmo da Silva to deliver his remarks. Please, everyone, please be seated.
Firmai respeito a me convida Senhor Galdino do Carmo da Silva, presidente AMP Atobele mais sai palco oi, hada toi te boit minha discurso bem-vindo.
Obrigado, moderador. Excelência, Sr. Roto, Lugnanaim. Peço desculpa, permite hau também tem banyak kasira internacional, né? Se halo, lefon bem-vindo e lefon e a língua inglês. Excellencies, the Vice Prime Minister and the Minister Coordinator for Economic Affairs and the Minister of Tourism and Environment, His Excellency Mr. Francisco Calvadilay, the Minister of Petroleum, Mineral and Resources, His Excellency Mr. Francisco da Costa Monteiro, the Minister of Youth, Sports, Arts and Culture, His Excellency Minister Nelly Isaac Sarmento, His Excellency Minister of Planning and Strategic Investment, His Excellency Mr. Gaston Souza, all the member governments in present, and particularly the Secretary of State for Arts and Culture, His Excellency Mr. Jorge Soares Cristóvão, the Managing Director of ENI Australia, Mr. Emanuele Calviello. If I may request your good self to stand for everyone, that would be great. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Emanuele. Thank you. The parish priest of Motael Church, Reverend Father Guilhermino da Silva, fellow steering committee members of the National Library Project, His Excellency Secretary of State Jose Cristóvão, as well as Ms. Angelina Branco of ENI, distinguished guests, members of our diplomatic corps, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure Excellency, we have His Excellency Prime Minister is entering the premise now. I kindly invite all of us to stand for His Excellency Prime Minister.
A respeito, convido membros do governo, distinto convidado Sira, a tabela abrir no presente modi, não é? E tabela foi tenha bem-vindo para primeiro-ministro.
And we also like to invite the protocol to present the ties as a token of appreciation for the Prime Minister.
A respeito, a me convida protocolo Sira, a tabela for taratais vai tenha seu excelência primeiro-ministro.
To our distinguished guests, please be seated.
Para distintos convidados, membros do governo, Sir a favor, Behola pela Fatim. Fatim, a tuneita pela continua a falar discurso se presidente a empenha.
The Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, His Excellency Kairala Sanana Guzmão, the Vice Prime Minister and the Minister Coordinator for Economic Affairs and the Minister of Tourism and Environment, His Excellency Mr. Francisco Calbuadilai, Her Excellency President of Commission C of the National Parliament, Her Excellency Ms. Sedeliza, all the ministers, member of government in present, member of Diplomatic Corps, Managing Director of ENI Australia, Mr. Emmanuel Calviello, fellow steering committee members of the National Library Project, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Under the approved development plan related to the PSC JPDA 06105 ENI, an Italian-based company in Australia, and its joint ventures, committed to funding the design, construction, and fit-out of a national library project in Timor-Leste. To better administer the implementation of the project, a steering committee consisting of Autoridade Nacional do Petróleo, ANP, the Secretary of State for Arts and Culture, SEAC, and ENI Timor-Leste was established. The committee is assisted by a technical working group consisting of representatives from ADN, the Ministry of Public Works, ANP, SEAC, and ENI Timor-Leste. The parties initiated discussion regarding the National Library Project in 2010, with the Secretary of State for Arts and Culture identified as a site for its construction in mid-2011. However, in September 2011, there was a dispute regarding the identified locations which halted the progress of the project. In October 2013, the ANP notified ENI that a new site for National Library in Bairopite had been secured. This was with the assistance of the Office of the President of the Republic at the time, and a land with an area of 27,000 square meters prepared and certified by the Ministry of Justice. In October 2014, a conceptual design was drawn to match the new area, preceded by geotechnical surveys needed for the project. Such a design was completed in November 2018. In December 2018, ENI began the National Library Project tender, and an expression of interest was released to the local and international companies. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the tender was extended to 2 times, in November 2020 and May 2021, respectively. Due to the fact that the high-ranked bidders withdrew from the tender in November 2022 and May 2023 subsequently. Under the 9th constitutional government, a steering committee was held in September 2023, with the result that the steering committee members agreed for ENI to update the cost estimate for the constructions of the National Library. It was agreed that amounts exceeding $10 million
will be assigned to the annual budget of the Timor-Leste government. All parties agreed to conduct a new tender. In July 2024, ANP began the tender preparation by contracting PT, Bita, and Arcon to update all the tender documents and cost estimate for the National Library project. The required documents for tender were completed in September 2024 with prior close consultation with the Comissão Nacional de Provisionamento, CNA, and the relevant institutions in the working group. Tender for Timor-Leste National Library project was launched in October 2024. The tender adopted international competitive bidding. The invitation to tender was opened on 11th October 2024 and closed on the 2nd November 2024. Following the bid opening, during the bidding opening, 7 bidders participated in the tender, namely PT Aulia Multisarana, Power China, CGP, GV, CC, ECC Limited, China Nuclear Industry, Sino Hydro Corporation, and CZ Sok Asuk JV. The technical evaluation stage was concluded on 28 February 2025, resulting in 4 out of 7 bidders passing the commercial evaluation stage. The bidders that passed the commercial evaluation stage were CZCOC, Asuk JV, China Nuclear Industry Construction, CNI 2022, Sino Hydro Corporation, and CCECC Limited. With constant direction from the steering committee, the commercial
It is now my pleasure to invite the Managing Director of ENI Australia, Mr. Emmanuel Calviello, to deliver his remarks.
Com respeito, a me convida diretor executivo ENI Austrália, Sr. Emmanuel Calviello, a tubelo maior palco de atoito bodne discurso.
Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, Senor Xanana Guzmão. Your Excellency, the Deputy Prime Minister, Senor Francisco Ley. Your Excellency, the Minister for Petroleum and Natural Resources, Senor Francisco Monteiro. Your Excellencies, all the other ministers of the government of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste. Your Excellencies, the President of Autoridade Nacional de Petróleo, Senor Dino. Distinguished guests, our JV partners, colleagues, friends. Bon dia. Buongiorno. Good morning. It's a great pleasure and an honor to be here with you today for the groundbreaking ceremony of the National Library. ENI has been in this country since 2005, so it's more than 20 years that we have been operating in this country. We have been running exploration activity, moving from some kind of educated guess on what is in the subsurface till exploration activity, till production, producing barrels of oil, producing cubic feet of gas, and developing the natural resources of this country. And during this 20 years period, not only we developed the natural resources of this country, but we also had the honor and the pleasure to work with the authorities of this country, and we had the pleasure to understand and to know a little bit the culture, the history, the tradition of this country. And we are honored of this achievement because we improved, we enriched our background knowing the place where we operate. As you heard, the National Library is part of the development plan of Kitan. Kitan has been a successful history on the development of oil field in this country, and with our JV partner, we are pleased and honored to be here today for this activity. Let me share maybe with you a little bit of background on the way how ENI operates. As I was trying to capture, we perform and we develop the natural resources of the country. By doing so, as I was explaining, we come in contact with a different country, with a different culture, and we try to assist, we try to work together, we try to stand one in front of the other, partnering for a long-term relationship with the authorities of the country. And that is what we have done also here in Timor-Leste. And that is what we called our dual flag model. So not only relying on the business, but making sure that we stand side by side with the country in order to be sure that we build, that we progress, not only on the business side, but also on the human side, with a sustainable development of approach, making sure that we always respect human rights. And when I say sustainable, I mean that from a business perspective, so we need to make sure that our business stands, so we are able to develop it. I mean, from an environmental point of view, we are aware that we work in a very fragile and delicate environment, and we are minimizing any impact that we have on the landscape, on the environment where we work, in order to preserve and transfer the place where we work to the next generation. I remember when I was a young kid, I was spending some of my time in a rotary with a lot of kids playing and working around. And I remember a young priest was talking and was teaching us what culture is. And he told us, well, you need to go to school, you need to learn a lot of things, you need to read a lot of books, you need to be exposed, and you really need to get a lot of information. Then you will forget all this information. They will be gone. And what will stay with you, what will remain, is your culture. So that is really what I wish for this National Library to be, the house of the culture, where not only you will find books, where not only you can find other kind of devices, where you can maybe look Cristiano Ronaldo playing Portugal in the World Cup, but where you really keep and transfer the culture of your country to the next generation. So I'm very proud to be here today with you for that, to make sure that this National Library becomes the center of the culture of this country. And I'm very proud to be here funding this House of Culture with our JV partner. So let me go to the closing remark. On behalf of Eni, on behalf of our JV partner, I want to thank you, the government of Timor-Leste, and all the stakeholders that support us through this long journey. You have heard that this project was launched more than 10 years ago. We had a number of challenges, COVID, the location where the National Library was supposed to be built, changing contractor strategy, but nevertheless, here we are today to make sure that National Library becomes a reality and will stand for the next generation of Timor-Leste, as I wish, as the house of culture of this country. Thanks all for your support. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Caviola, for your valuable remarks and continued partnership.
Obrigado, Sr. Calviolo. Boitabot niya remarks na valor no mos continuação ba colabora e suporta.
It is now my great honor to invite His Excellency, the Vice Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, Sr. Francisco Calvo-Adilai, to deliver his official remarks.
Com respeito, a me convida Sua Excelência Vice-Primeiro-Ministro da República Democrática de Timor-Leste, Sua Excelência Francisco Calvo-Adilai, a tabela Tonho discurso.
Muito bom dia, Baita Botsirahutu. Very good morning to everyone. Em primeiro lugar, a permissão, excelência Primeiro-Ministro Niang, ao mais atorrela discurso, deve marcar se uma instrução, se sua excelência, deve auxiliar Baita Botsirahutu atule, ainda terçane. Excelência Primeiro-Ministro, colega Ministro Sirahutu, Secretário de Estado, temos Presidente e Comissão C, do Parlamento Nacional, distinta deputada Lígia, especial honrim Ministro Petróleo, o Ministro Secretário de Estado, Ministro Esporte, Juventude, Secretário de Estado de Cultura, corpos diplomáticos, honrim na bema presidente Embaixada América, Austrália, China, Angola e presidente AMP, nebe Hanessa, hamos ler discurso em inglês, ao italiano língua nacional, TATOLI. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great honor, pleasure to me today for the launch of the construction of the National Library of Timor-Leste. I'm honored to represent His Excellency Prime Minister Kairala Shanana Guzman, who has instructed me with the duty to participate in this special and important event. But we are lucky that finally Prime Minister also attend with us today and here with us. Could you please to put your hand together? Applause for everyone. And also for all of you. Today marks more than the beginning of a new building. It marks the beginning of an institution that will preserve our national memory, support education and research, and provide future generation with access to the knowledge and history of our country. For the young nation like Timor-Leste, this is a great importance. Our people fought for independence not only to establish a sovereign state, but also to protect our identity, our language, our culture, and the memory of our people. The National Library will play an important role in fulfilling that responsibility. It will preserve the documentary heritage of our nation and provide a place where students, researchers, teachers, writers, and the wider community can learn, study, and discover. It will also help safeguard and of the history of our national struggle, the riches of our culture, and the ideas that shape of our society. Ladies and gentlemen, nation building is not only about roads, bridges, ports, and public buildings. These are essential economic development for the improving of life of the people. It is also about investing in education, culture, knowledge, and national memory. A strong institution help us understand our history, strengthening our identity, and prepare for the future. That is why the National Library is such an important project for today. And today's ceremony is the result of many years of planning, technical preparation, and close cooperation among different institutions. On behalf of the government, I would like to acknowledge the valuable contribution of the Authority National of Petroleum, the Secretary of State of the Art and Culture, Minister of Public Work, the National Development Agency, especially for you, Senor Manuele, the ANI, Managing Director of ANI from Australia, and IMPACT, and all of the members of the steering committee and technical working group. Your commitment and hard work have helped turn this vision into reality. I also wish to recognize the local content committee commitment under the PSC, GPDA 06 and 105 development plan, support by ANI and its joint venture partner impacts. The partnership demonstrates how investment in the petroleum sector can also contribute to the long-term development of our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Library is an investment in the future of Timor-Leste. It will be a place where our documents, records, books, knowledge are preserved for the future generations, and will provide opportunities for young people to learn about the history of our country and its place in the world. Also, it will support researchers, educators, and students in expanding knowledge and promoting learning. It will encourage reading, creativity, and innovation, while ensuring that the knowledge and tradition of our people are protected and passed on. For Timor-Leste, this has special significance. Much of our history has been preserved through oral tradition. The courage of our people and document protect under difficult circumstances. The National Library will help bring together this valuable heritage and preserve with dignity for generations to come. At the same time, it will look to the future by exporting education, research, and lifelong learning. It should become a place that is open and access to all Timorese. Excellency, as our construction begins today, we look forward to seeing this National Library become a symbol of the knowledge, culture and national pride. It will help preserve our past while preparing our young people for the future. It reminds us that development is a measure not only by physical infrastructure, but is also by the strengthening of our institution, the knowledge shared, and the opportunity we create for future generation. To everyone involved in the construction of this important project, I encourage you to carry out your work with professionalism, dedication, and care. The National Library will serve our nation for many years to come, and it will reserve the highest standard of quality. I thank you very much. Obrigado, Walter. Muito obrigado.
Thank you, Your Excellency Vice Prime Minister, for the remarks. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at the highlight of today's ceremony, the official launching of the National Library Project of Timor-Leste.
Sua Excelência Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, obrigado. Não agradeço bem o bom discurso bem significativo. E agora está a cerimônia lançamento da Konstrusaun Biblioteka Nasional Timor-Leste.
To officially open the launching ceremony, may I respectfully invite our distinguished guest of honor to come forward to the ceremonial stage. His Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, Senhor Kairala Sanana Guzmão.
Ato oficialmente logo tinha lançamento da Konstrusaun Biblioteca Nacional né? O respeitar me convida Sua Excelência, Primeiro-Ministro, Senhor Kairala Sanana Guzmão, atubele maia oi.
His Excellency, the Vice Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, Senhor Francisco Calbua Dilay, to come forward.
Sua Excelência, Vice-Primeiro-Ministro da República Democrática de Timor-Leste, Senhor Francisco Calbua Dilay.
His Excellency, Minister of Petroleum, Mineral and Resources, Senhor Francisco da Costa Monteiro, to come forward.
Nós, Itonia, Sua Excelência, Ministro Petróleo e Minerais, Sua Excelência Francisco da Costa Monteiro.
The Managing Director of Eni Australia, Mr. Emmanuel Calviello.
Nós, Diretor Executivo da Eni Australia, Senhor Emmanuel Calviello.
His Excellency, the Minister of Youth, Sport, Art and Culture, Senhor Nélio Isaac Sarmento.
No convido a respeito a Sua Excelência, Ministro de Juventude e Desporto, Arte e Cultura, Nélio Isaac Sarmento.
I would also like to respectfully invite the following distinguished guests to come forward to accompany the ceremony of pressing the launch button. His Excellency, Her Excellency Minister of Finance, Senhora Santina Viegas Cardoso.
A respeito, convidamos representante do Ministro de Finanças, Senhora Santina Viegas, que marca presença aí, a tubele mais hoje.
His Excellency, the Minister of Planning and Strategic Investment, Senhor Gastão Francisco de Souza.
Excelência, para plano estratégico no investimento, Senhor Gastão Francisco de Souza.
The member of the steering committee, His Excellency the Secretary of State for Art and Culture, Senhor Jorge Soares Cristovão.
Respeito ao convida a minha steering committee, Sua Excelência Secretário de Estado de Arte e Cultura, Presidente AMP, nós, Eni Austrália, nós, representante da Comissão do Parlamento Nacional. Presidente da Comissão, desculpa.
We would also like to invite the President Commissioned of the National Parliament, SE, to come forward. And we also like to invite the President of ANP and Senhora Angelina Braco also to come forward.
Nós convidamos o Presidente da ANP, nós representantes da CN, Senhora Angelina Cardoso.
May I now kindly invite our distinguished guests of honor to place their hand on the ceremonial press button. And we also like to invite the ambassador of the US and also the ambassador of the Australia, as well as the ambassador of the China to come forward.
Para respeito, convidamos corpos embaixadores Sira, devem marcar presença neto belamai, e no mos referendo amo parco motael, hori bela companhia baitanya lançamento botão.
And also we would like to invite the ambassador of Angola also to come forward.
Para respeito, convidamos embaixador Angola, tu belam hola fatin hioi.
May I now kindly invite our distinguished guests of honor to place their hand on the ceremonial launch button.
Para respeito, convidado Sira, corpos embaixadores, a tu bela tauliman e tinha.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin the countdown. 3,
Tolu,
2,
Rua,
1.
Ida.
Congratulations, the construction of the National Library project is officially open. May I now invite all our distinguished guests of honor to remain on the stage for the official photograph.
In a count of 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much, and I will also kindly invite all the distinguished guests to come back to the designated seat.
Para respeito, convidados, primeiro-ministro e vice-primeiro-ministro, tu belam fatin.
And we also like to respectfully tell the media to please move a little bit backward. Shortly, we will assist the video presentation showcasing the National Library project. the vision, the historical development process, milestone, and current process.
Agora maitare hamutuk vídeo apresentação russa história nós processo agora para a construção biblioteca nacional nera.
Welcome to the design and construction project of the National Library of Timor-Leste. The National Library Project is a landmark initiative to strengthen education, culture, and heritage in Timor-Leste. In 2008, the Timor-Leste government representatives consist of Ministry of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, MPMR, formerly the Secretary of State for Natural Resources, SERN, and the National Petroleum Authority, ANP, requested ENI to provide project management expertise and financial support as mentioned in the Chapter 12 of the Kitten Field Development Plan. ENI is also required to collaborate with the Secretary of State for Art and Culture, SEC, of the Ministry of Tourism, Art and Culture. A concept workshop defined the vision of an iconic, sustainable, accessible to all, provides space for learning, leisure, and recreation, and supports the creation of a knowledge-based society, respects the past, looks to the future, and helps develop the nation's cultural identity. In 2009, a steering committee and working group were established to oversee the project, while library and architectural specialists developed the legal framework and building design for its implementation. The National Library Project is overseen by a steering committee comprising representatives from ANP, the Secretary of State for Art and Culture, SEC, and ENI, with implementation supported by a working group involving several government agencies. On 2025, CGCC, SUC, a joint venture from China, was appointed as the design and build contractor, while a joint venture between Community Housing Limited, SHL, of Timor-Leste and Kyrie Consultant of Malaysia was selected as the supervision consultant. The scope of work covers the detailed engineering design, construction, and fit-out works for the National Library of Timor-Leste. The project scope is divided into three main stages. Stage A, detailed engineering design. Stage B, construction. Stage C, fit-out works. The current project scope excludes several post-construction site works, including road and pedestrian pavements, permanent fencing and gates, parking facilities, and landscaping. These works will be completed as part of a separate phase or under a different contract. The construction works consist of 5 main components: structural works, architectural works, mechanical and plumbing works, electrical works, fit-out works. Now, let's take a closer look at the 3D model alongside the current construction progress of the National Library of Timor-Leste. We'll explore the vision behind this future landmark and see how the project is taking shape from concept to reality. As one of Timor-Leste's key national developments, the National Library will provide a dedicated space for education, research, and the preservation of the country's literary and historical heritage. The project is located on a 27,000 square meter site in Hodilaran, Barrow Pike, Dama-Lightso, Dili. The National Library complex will provide approximately 7,500 square meters of functional space, designed to serve readers, researchers, students, and the wider community. The ground floor will feature the main lobby, lounge and waiting area, internet facilities, registration services, newspaper and magazine collections, dedicated spaces for teenagers and children, along with the main auditorium. The first floor will accommodate the adult collection, quiet study areas, conservation rooms, meeting rooms, staff offices, copy center, and storage facilities. The second floor will house the Heritage Library, National Archive, library conservation facilities, copy and storage center, panel rooms, and staff offices dedicated to preserving Timor-Leste's documentary heritage. At the top floor, visitors will find a cafe, kitchen, and supporting function rooms, offering a welcoming space to relax and interact. Complementing the main library are a 445 square meter exhibition and multi-purpose building, a 300-seat auditorium for educational and cultural events, and a dedicated utility building that supports the entire complex with essential electrical, water supply, firefighting, and sewerage systems. From the interior, we now step outside to admire the proposed National Library of Timor-Leste. Viewed from the front, its perfect symmetry creates a strong and welcoming first impression. The contemporary design features clean white facades, elegant vertical fins, and a striking glass and steel entrance canopy. Above it, the gently curved roof forms a distinctive architectural identity. At the center stands the kaibok, an important traditional symbol of Timor-Leste. Shaped like a crescent moon, it represents authority, dignity, prosperity, and spiritual protection. Together with the belek, symbolizing the sun, they express unity, harmony, and the cultural identity of the Timorese people. A beautifully landscaped forecourt with trees, gardens, and pedestrian walkways welcomes every visitor. The sign, Biblioteka Nasional de Timor-Leste, proudly means National Library of Timor-Leste in English. Moving along the side, the modern facade comes to life. Tall vertical pillars create a bold, timeless character, while expansive glass panels reveal bright and inviting spaces within. From the rear, the building is equally impressive. Its perfectly symmetrical design mirrors the grandeur of the front, creating a balanced architectural masterpiece from every angle. At its heart is a peaceful open-air reading garden, where visitors can relax, enjoy fresh air, and read surrounded by natural light and greenery. Designed for everyone, the library features barrier-free paths, ensuring comfortable and inclusive access for all, including persons with disabilities. Site establishment has been completed, including the entrance gate, project signboard, workers' accommodation, and material storage areas. Heavy equipment has been fully mobilized to support construction activities, including the board pile drilling rig, 25-ton crane, excavators, loaders, compaction equipment, reinforcement processing machines, and an on-site concrete batching plant. Foundation works are currently focused on board pile installation. The process begins with surveying and marking each pile location, followed by casing installation and rotary drilling to the required depth. Where necessary, drilling fluid is introduced to stabilize the borehole during excavation. After reaching the designed depth, the borehole is cleaned, the reinforcement cage is lowered into position, and concrete is placed through a training pipe to ensure a continuous and high-quality foundation. Earthworks are also progressing, with backfilling and compaction underway to raise the site elevation by approximately 2.5 meters, bringing the National Library one step closer to becoming a landmark institution for education, knowledge, and cultural preservation in Timor-Leste. Thank you for watching.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is all the brief video introduction for the Biblioteka Nasional Timor-Leste. And before proceed to the site visit to see the ongoing process of the work project and the heavy equipment, I will now again, with respect, invite His Excellency Prime Minister of Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, Senor Sanano Guzmão, His Excellency the Vice Prime Minister of Democratic Republic Timor-Leste, Senor Francisco Calvo-Adilai, Managing Director of ENI Australia, Mr. Emmanuel Calviello, His Excellency the Minister of Petroleum, Mineral and Resources, Senor Francisco da Costa Monteiro, His Excellency the Minister of Youth, Sport, Art and Culture, Senor Nelo Isaac Sarmento, to come forward.
Depois de Itareu na vida apresentação, processo histórico para a construção, no tempo atual para a construção da Biblioteca Nacional, agora, a respeito a cada convida para nara mencionado na Betemiona, a tubele para América ou em processo na máquina construção e ao mesmo tempo bor pilot, antes de trabalhar ita precisa halotuir padrão salvaguarda construção e onde utiliza equipamento proteção pessoal.
For the safety, all guests of honor participating in the site tour are kindly requested to wear the personal protected equipment, and the tour will be guided by the member of the steering committee and the project manager. We'd like to invite His Excellency Prime Minister of the Republic of Timor-Leste, Senor Sanano Guzmão.
Nós lá halua a tu convida Reverendo Padre Guilhermino a tu bele para América ou em usa equipamentos já tu não é bele hare hamuto mas construção não mos bor pila e ao mesmo tempo tu for benza. ba protokolo ng mas tekniko sira at bele may
Makhluk sirhanesan dadau ni tahare iha seremonia lançamento konstrusaun projetu biblioteka nasional iha Timor-Leste nebe dadau ne hanesan ohni ita tu acompanha lança o nosso primeiro-ministro no estrutura governo inclui companhia eni internacional da Austrália nomos corpo diplomático sira iha Timor-Leste nebe assiste diretamente a ceremonia ne iha fatu hada dilili projeto né honia construção duração tempo durante fulan sanulu resinualu katinang ida fulan neng honia gasto orçamento hamutuk milhão sanulu resin rua resin mai husi governo Timor-Leste nomos companhia eni internacional husi Austrália
Kota Padre Governu atau bele hatad poin ho continuar ang proseso pag-organizar ini punya konstruksi.
Malusira dadaune Padre Guilhermino ka amo paroku husi parokia Motael dadaune prepara hela bensaun ka barai ka fatin construção nebe se implementa husi companhia China China chinesa ho duração fulan sanulu sinwal
lança a primeira pedra para edifício Biblioteca Nacional Timor-Leste. Embora se dá o kita auto kamoto kene. Meroma kwi samaknai amalaran luat pesita oan kita halo sesan foto mahalo nia saya nesan alisersu nebe metin ia reunian. Rona amina orasaum mahalo obra ida nebe okin amihafu bene gloria baita buat naran mai Aminia tiar. Oi tabotnya tulun mamatenek tomak. Bele lawa oin esilorom baloron o obra idane foto. Obra idane sei desenvolve. Timoroan sirenia matenek intelektual nian. Atau hasilnya matenek bele desenvolve ngai Timor-Leste dia hutan iha Timor no iha mundo idane. Orasne diusian leliman komensa bafating idane no ema hutu. No sira hutu na be servisi hane no ikutamento stomak na be servisi usa o real servisi idane. Ami arohan yo na Jesus Cristo tawa be maroma ko ita amuto ke Espiritu Santo. Ami aman beiha lalehan, alo ami hahi hanai tanaran, alo itanya reino samayami, itanya akaran alo tirba, iharai mudari halalehan. Arai kaihan berlorong nian mayami, arai terdamen isala, narame terdua malo atami, kabel isya menubatan tasau, may behasani siat, amen. Maroma kori ko ini, Roma Cristo makna na ragpensa ba itahot no pating gane, Padre, Filho, no Espírito Santo.
Kemarin kita kampanye kayak hari dokumentu volunteer. Equipamento de hari pertama, the first equipment that we see right now is a drilling rig with the primary function to drill the borehole to the specific depth and diameter while excavating and removing soil from the borehole, maintain the required vertical and support efficient pile construction. Máquina primeiro, drilling rig atuhala percuração ba borehole no inclui asay rai no maintain borehole linha verticalidade. And moving on to the next equipment. Firma itu sebagai kali makina konstrusaun segundo. Great. For the next heavy equipment is the crawler moving crane. Please, to the distinguished guests of honor, kindly proceed with the steering committee for the next heavy equipment. The second heavy equipment is the crawler moving crane with the primary
Malusira,
function
idane
to
maka
lift
cerimônia
and
lançamento
position
construção
temporary
projetu
reinforcement case, training pipe,
biblioteka
and
nasional
concrete
nebe
bucket.
hari
And also can assist with
edifício
safe
MPA
handling and
ka
accurate placement of
ministério
heavy
MPA fatwa da
components
ka
during
hudilaran
wall
ya
pile
kotuk
construction.
projeto ne se implementa hosi companhia chinesa ho duração fulan sanulure sinwalu hahu ohi no se termina i hatinan rihun ruanulure sin itu projeto ne honi orçamento hamutu dolar milhão rihun sanulu resin rua resin nebe hetan apoio husi companhia eni internasional husi Australia nomos Governu Timor-Leste malusira projeto ne banhira remata se for acesso livro ba arquivo no informação público apoio estudante professor no pesquisador sira ni aprendizagem no pesquisa haburs cultura le no hakerek a sociedade Rai no preserva documento histórico cultural patrimônio nasional facilita a aprendizagem durante o estômago para cidadão hotu ajuda a desenvolver conhecimento e inovação na capacidade de recursos humanos promove pesquisa científica na educação e a nível nacional facilita a cooperação entre biblioteca sira e a instituição educação sira atuar recurso e informação banhira biblioteca na era mata laos de fatin aturai livro mas vemos sai centro importante para educação pesquisa, cultura, no conservação patrimônio nacional. Ho Biblioteca Nacional idane forte no moderno, bela ajuda a nível educação, no desenvolve conhecimento, ho de suporta progresso desenvolvimento Timor-Leste e a área recursos humanos. Lori equipa nebe serviço hawa Agapito dos Santos no Joanico de Aroso hato reportagem.
Okay, we would like to invite everyone to go back to your designated seat, and we will proceed with the next agenda for today's ceremony.